Hydraulics questions and answers number 3. Question 1. For exerting a pressure of 4.8 kilograms/square centimeter, the depth of oil-specific gravity 0.8 should be A. 40 centimeters. B. 41 centimeters. C. 56 centimeters. D. 60 centimeters. E. 76 centimeters.
The correct answer is option D, 60 centimeters.
Question 2. For the flow of liquid from an open-ended tube or a nozzle leading to the formation of spray of liquid drops, the number generally applied is A. Froude number. B. Weber number. C. Reynolds number. D. Mach number.
The correct answer is option B, Weber number.
Question 3. An error of 1% in measuring the head of water over the crest of a triangular notch produces an error in the discharge which is equal to A. 1.25%. B. 1.5%. C. 2.0%. D. 2.5%.
The correct answer is option D, 2.5%.
Question 4. To avoid vaporization, pipelines are laid over the ridge so that these are above the hydraulic gradient line, not more than A. 2.4 meters. B. 6.4 meters. C. 10.0 meters. D. 5.0 meters.
The correct answer is option B, 6.4 m.
Question 5. Atmospheric pressure varies with A. Altitude. B. Temperature. C. Weather conditions. D. All of the above.
The correct answer is option D, all of the above.
Question 6. The magnitude of water hammer in a pipe depends upon A. Speed at which valve is closed. B. Length of the pipeline. C. Elastic properties of the pipe material. D. Elastic properties of the following liquid. E. All the above.
The correct answer is option E, all the above.
Question 7. If velocities of fluid particles vary from point to point in magnitude and direction, as well as from instant to instant, the flow is said to be A. Laminar. B. Turbulent flow. C. Uniform flow. D. Non-uniform flow.
The correct answer is option B, turbulent flow.
Question 8. The rise of the liquid along the walls of the revolving cylinder above the initial level is A. Greater than the depression of the liquid at the axis of rotation. B. Lesser than the depression of the liquid at the axis of rotation. C. The same as the depression of the liquid at the axis of rotation. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, the same as the depression of the liquid at the axis of rotation.
Question 9. Fluids change the volume under external pressure due to A. Plasticity. B. Viscosity. C. Compressibility. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, compressibility.
Question 10. Discharge over energy weir remains the same as that of A. Sharp-crested weir. B. Triangular weir. C. Sepulchral weir. D. Drowned weir.
The correct answer is option C, sepulchral weir.
Question 11. When no air is left below the nap and water stream adheres to the downstream face of the weir, it is known as A. Free nap. B. Depressed nap. C. Clinging nap. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, clinging nap.
Question 12. The following is not a laminar flow. A. Flow of oil in measuring instruments. B. Flow in beds in groundwater. C. Rise of water in plants through roots. D. Flow of blood in the arteries of human body. E. Flow in water pipelines.
The correct answer is option E, flow in water pipelines.
Question 13. Which one of the following statements is true? A. The value of kinetic energy correction factor for turbulent flow lies between 1.03 to 1.06. B. The value of kinetic energy correction factor for laminar flow is 2. C. The practical value of kinetic energy correction factor for turbulent flow is unity. D. All the above.
The correct answer is option D, all the above.
Question 14. Uniform flow is said to occur when A. Size and shape of the cross-section in a particular length remain constant. B. Size and shape of the cross-section change along a length. C. Frictional loss in the particular length of the channel will the more than the drop in its elevation. D. Frictional loss in the particular length of the channel will be less than the drop in elevation.
The correct answer is option A, size and shape of the cross-section in a particular length remain constant.
Question 15. Molecules of fluids get attracted due to A. Capillarity action. B. Surface tension. C. Adhesion. D. Cohesion. E. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, adhesion.
Question 16. Capillity weir is A. Rectangular weir whose length is kept 3 times the height of the water above sill. B. Triangular weir whose notch angle is 90 degrees. C. Trapezoidal weir, whose sides slope 1 horizontal to 2 verticals. D. A combination of rectangular and triangular weirs.
The correct answer is option C, trapezoidal weir, whose sides slope 1 horizontal to 2 verticals.
Question 17. On an inclined plane, center of pressure is located A. At the centroid. B. Above the centroid. C. Below the centroid. D. anywhere.
The correct answer is option C, below the centroid.
Question 18. Atmospheric pressure is equal to water column head of A. 9.81 meters. B. 5.0 meters. C. 10.30 meters. D. 7.5 meters.
The correct answer is option C, 10.30 m.
Question 19. Shear stress is directly proportional to A. The velocity. B. The shear strain. C. The viscosity. D. The velocity.
The correct answer is option B, the shear strain.
Question 20. To avoid an interruption in the flow of a siphon, an air vessel is provided A. At the inlet. B. At the outlet. C. At the summit. D. At any point between inlet and outlet.
The correct answer is option C, at the summit.
Question 21. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. Total energy gradient is the graphical representation of the total head at any section of a pipeline. B. Vertical distance between the total energy line and hydraulic grade line is equal to the velocity head. C. Vertical distance between the total energy line and total energy gradient represents loss of head. D. All the above.
The correct answer is option D, all the above.
Question 22. A fluid particle may possess the displacement of A. Translation. B. Rotation. C. Distortion. D. All the above.
The correct answer is option D, all the above.
Question 23. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. When the length of the tube is equal to diameter of the internal mouthpiece, the jet of liquid comes out without touching the sides of the tube. B. When the length of the tube is 3 times the diameter of the internal mouthpiece, the jet diameter is equal to diameter of the tube. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B.
The correct answer is option C, both A and B.
Question 24. Piezometers are used to measure A. Pressure in water channels, pipes, etc. B. Difference in pressure at 2 points. C. Atmospheric pressure. D. Very low pressure.
The correct answer is option D, very low pressure.
Question 25. Most economical section of a triangular channel is A. Equilateral triangle. B. Right-angled triangle. C. Isosceles triangle with 45 degrees vertex angle. D. Right-angled triangle with equal sides.
The correct answer is option D, right-angled triangle with equal sides.
Question 26. In an open tube, free surface of mercury remains A. Horizontal. B. Curved upwards. C. Curved downwards. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option C, curved downwards.
Question 27. Manometers are used to measure A. Pressure in water channels, pipes etc. B. Difference in pressure at 2 points. C. Atmospheric pressure. D. Very low pressure.
The correct answer is option A, pressure in water channels, pipes etc.
Question 28. For maximum horsepower of a nozzle, the head supplied must be equal to A. Head loss in the pipe due to friction. B. Twice the head loss in the pipe due to friction. C. Thrice the head loss in the pipe due to friction. D. 4 times the head loss in the pipe due to friction.
The correct answer is option C, thrice the head loss in the pipe due to friction.
Question 29. The ratio of frictional factor and coefficient of friction used in general equation for a head loss in a pipe is A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4.
The correct answer is option D, 4.
Question 30. Flow in pipes is turbulent if Reynolds number is A. Less than 2,100. B. More than 3,000. C. Between 2,100 and 3,000. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option B. More than 3,000.
Question 31. Backwater curve is caused if A. Friction head loss is more than the bed slope. B. Pressure is due to wear in the channel. C. There is an increase in width of the channel. D. None of these.
The correct answer is option B, pressure is due to wear in the channel.
Question 32. Power transmitted through a pipe is maximum when friction head loss is A. 1/2 of the total head supplied. B. 1/3 of the total head supplied. C. 1/4 of the total head supplied. D. Equal to the total head supplied.
The correct answer is option B, 1/3 of the total head supplied.
Question 33. The specific weight of water is 1,000 kilograms/cubic meter. A. At normal pressure of 760 millimeters. B. At 4 degrees Celsius temperature. C. At mean sea level. D. All the above.
The correct answer is option D, all the above.
Question 34. Specific weight of liquid. A. Remains constant at every place. B. Does not remain constant at every place. C. Varies from place to place on the Earth. D. Does not vary on any other planet.
The correct answer is option D, does not vary on any other planet.
Question 35. Manning's formula is used for A. Flow in open channels. B. Head loss due to friction in open channels. C. Head loss due to friction in pipes flowing full. D. Flow in pipes.
The correct answer is option B, head loss due to friction in open channels.
Question 36. A non-uniform steady flow is through A. A long tube at a decreasing rate. B. An expanding tube at constant rate. C. An expanding tube at increasing rate. D. A long pipe at increasing rate.
The correct answer is option B, an expanding tube at constant rate.
Question 37. An ideal fluid is A. Incompressible. B. Compressible. C. Compressible and non-viscous. D. Slightly affected by surface torque.
The correct answer is option C, compressible and non-viscous.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.